Arithmetic operations and moral cooperation. Look at the pictures and see what it means to you. These are not actually pictures, but they represent as a symbol. Symbols play a major role in education. In fact, the letters of all languages are nothing but symbols which denote certain sound. With the help of many symbols, we form a word, sentence, paragraph, stories, etc. Even symbols play a major role in modern science and technologies, especially in the field of telecommunication and computer technology, like traffic rules, which are shown in the roadside as a symbol. Religious thinkers also have their own symbols to identify their God and culture. Even the political parties have their own symbols and flags. The teacher also judges one's talent or how much one has understood the subject or placing one's rank by putting marks as a symbol. The word arithmetic comes from the Greek word arithmos, which means number. So, arithmetic is nothing but the science of numbers, which involves the most elementary properties of numbers and rules of calculation. The numbers are denoted by the symbols, which we call numerals. The Hindu-Arabic system of writing the numerals came to be universally accepted, which uses 10 as the base and employs only the 10 numerals: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, which are used in counting as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. With counting, the history of mathematics begins. The history of mathematics teaches the moral values of cooperation. In counting, it is impossible to omit or remove or avoid even a single number. For example, if the number 3 is counting process is omitted, then the counting will not be perfect because it starts as 1, 2, 4, 5, etc. So, the counting needs the cooperation of all numbers in order to count perfectly. Counting needs cooperation of every individual, like 100% result is possible only with the cooperation of all students. Similarly, each and every number has its own unique value in counting. In the same way, if it is considered that the world as one family, then as a member of one family, each and every person has his or her own unique value, like every member occupies a unique position in the family of numerals. So there is a need for cooperation of everyone in order to make this world a better place to live. Like the Hindu-Arabic system of numerals, which have 10 as base, the Babylonian arithmetic, which has base 60, is still used in measuring time and degrees of a circle. Being 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The degrees also have base of 60 in measuring the circle. The value of base in numeral systems is very important to measure or to count. The moral values in life are also as important as the base in numerals to count or judge a person.